Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to share with you the best strategy to organize Cash App settings for daily use. It's going to be a quick one as usual, so let's get straight into it. Now, the best strategy to organize Cash App settings for daily use is to simplify access while strengthening security. Start by enabling notifications for payments, deposits, and withdrawals so activity is always visible. Set a security PIN and biometrics login to protect transactions without slowing usage. Choose a primary bank account or debit card and remove unused funding sources to reduce confusion. Customize your profile name and cash tag so that they are easily recognizable. Review privacy and security settings regularly to ensure that nothing has changed unexpectedly. A clean, intentional setup makes daily transactions faster, safer, and of course easier to manage. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.